Hello and welcome back to Katoomba and the Blue Mountains. What a different scenery what it was this morning. The clouds start clearing, so you can actually see some of the mountains. Well, let's walk down there to the lookout, see if we can have a glimpse of the actual Three Sisters, which is the rock formation, the most famous in Australia and in the Blue Mountains. So that's what actually put this little town called Katoomba on the map. And of course now there's a lot more people here, since the rain is clearing, and of course it is a very tourist place, but it's for a very good reason. It's amazing view. So I believe there is a station there for the cable cars. This is really, of course the camera is not going to give it back all the way how massive this is. So if you decide to visit this place, don't expect to be by yourself or quiet. But anyway, it is still one of the awesome landmarks of Australia. Okay, so there is this nice footpath all the way down, so let's go for a walk. We might actually get lucky and not get soaked this time. This is an incredible land formation, or I should say rock formation. I'm not sure I think we can go all the way down there. So you ready to walk all the way down? Yeah? You see, that's the clouds rising just there. And now we are attempting to do the Three Sisters walk. It's only 20 minutes return, so should be okay. Should be nice and easy walk all the way down to the Three Sisters rock formation. It's a bit muddy because there was a bit of rain this morning again, and made everything wet. A little bit of exercise, not going to hurt anyone here. It's just hanging on like all the routes going that way. Everybody is doing some sort of content, eh?
Look, there's a lizard.
Ah, there's a lizard. It's actually, what is that called? Normally, like in a real life? Blue tongue, yeah?
You can't see its tongue.
No,
A fat lizard.
really amazing. Even here you can find some of those sculptures and things like that.
There was a bird.
There's a bird, but look at these plants.
Moss.
What is that called, do you think?
A tree.
Yeah, I mean these bushes looks like a bottle brush tree, but it's not. And there's another tree like that, look at that. Nice. This sandstone.
The spiral shape.
Ooh, huh?
Which way?
This,
Story? This way.
that's a Prince Henry walk. You can have a rest, sit down for a little while. And all the Australian native animals is remembered this way on this footpath. It's amazing rock formations. Look at that.
What
Well,
bugs are
I
those? Cicadas?
I'm not sure. You know those noisy ones when they fly.
Cicadas. That's not real.
They're not real, but they,
Cicadas.
yeah, and the other one up there. And there is another lookout. So, we're nearly there. As you see, is not that far. And we have arrived at the staircases. And this will lead all the way down to the rock formations. I think you can actually walk through them or something. We'll have a look in a minute. I will show it to you guys, all of it. So the Three Sisters Giant Stairway officially opened by Honorary S.B. Stevenson, Premier of New South Wales, 1932 it was opened. Looks like it's clear, a bit more clear in here. So you can actually see how gorgeous, massive this place actually is. Well, yeah, this is a bit tough here. Holy crap. You're gonna watch your step in here for sure. Alright, so we got in close now. This is something. Unfortunately the bridge is closed, so you can't go in there. But anyway, I think, so you look at the cracks on them.
We're gonna picture now so we can finish here and gonna go back.
Okay, I have a look, see. It's only just, yeah, just go. It's only just a few more steps. I can handle that, I guess. And that's it. So, going back up, I think I will have my share of exercise for the day. Well, this is great for an old man. But there's no real problem at all. So why, you think it's tiring or not? Is it tiring or not?
Not really.
Nah, that's what I say too.
I can hear you breathing.
Yeah, because it's humid and it was okay. It would be a completely different story if you are at 2000 plus elevation, like I was in Nepal. So, Anyway, we made it and we done it. So that's the main thing.